I've received acupuncture from Hope for a variety of things, but I think that the most impactful and beneficial is that release of anxiety and the ability to rest and to find peace and to find tranquility and find serenity. There's a relaxation that comes from acupuncture that is internal, and there's some electricity that happens when you're receiving needles when it actually is hitting on each of your points, and it's really not comparable to any other sensation when those little shocks hit and you just know that that everything is moving within your body, and those worries just kind of float away and time slips away.